Hello, I'm Ray. This is my vegetable garden. And what better place to sit and enjoy a cup of coffee. The temperature today is around 21, 22 on the south coast, and it's really warm. And it's a bit too hot in the polytunnel and a bit too hot to be digging. So I've just brought my water down in a water bottle, and I thought what a good idea to make a slug trap out of the water bottle. So let me show you what we're going to do. So today we're going to make a slug trap. So what do we need? We need a bottle. It can be a small bottle or a 2-litre bottle. We need some tape, sellotape, and we need a knife. And we need some beer. Beer, not light beer, but any cheap, nasty beer. That would do. And also an alternative, a small margarine tub or a bigger version of the ice cream tub. So let me show you what we do. So we take our small bottle, cut off the label, and then we cut so far down, leaving a gap of 1 inch to 2 inches on the top. This bottle's quite handy as it's got a rim round that you can guide. Then we have our 2 sections. Now once we've got these 2 sections, the top half and the bottom half, we don't need the lid. And all we do is insert the lid in the upside down section, like so. Then we can add a bit of tape going around the outside just to attach the 2 together and stop any spillage. And then we give it a chop. There we go. So now our Fendi snug will go in the gap and then it won't come out. So we can use, do we want to use our beer? Yeah, go on then. So we can use our beer, we can put it into this trap. The water won't come out because we sealed the 2. And then we can put it into the deck. So we need a normal cheap beer. This is John Smith's, extra smooth. Not the light ones. The slugs like the yeast. But we can also do a mix of yeast, sugar and flour mixed with water, and that will also do the job too. So we just literally pour the beer into the bottle, and then the beer can sit sideways into the soil. Let's put it in the garden. So we've also just had our sandwiches, and we use the tin as a sandwich box. But we can also use a container similar to this for a trap for the slugs. So if we make some holes, preferably square, like so, on either side. And then we can fill this with beer, and the slugs can enter the trapdoor and they can go and have a drink. So let me cut these out. So here we have 2 holes, and we'll just finish off this side. So there we go, we've got 2 matching holes side by side. Now we can put the beer or our yeast mix into the bottom, and the slugs can come through the trapdoor, and we can even put the lid back on to stop the water getting in. So there we go. There's 2 methods we can do with the slug traps. Also similar to the small bottles, we've got a 2-litre bottle, and we've done the same. So let's see if we can catch some slugs. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I thought I'd have a look, see if there's anything going on. There's a few around there. Nothing in the big bottle. Looks like there's a result in this one with a snail on top. That one, some action. Can't see anything in this one, so we'll have to come back and have a check. So let's have a look, See what we got. Nope. So there's nothing in that one. So we have a look at this one in between the pot, and we do have one slug in here, so 1 out of 3. And we look at this one, and no. So so we take a look in our ice cream tub, and nothing in there.
Hi, today we're making slug food. There's 2 cups of water. There. And now we've got 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey. One. 2. And now 2 teaspoons of flour. 1, 2. And now 1 tablespoon of yeast. And now you mix it. It looks gross.
So thank you for our helper, and now we're going to pour the mix into the bottles. And we'll see what this does. So day 2, next plum. So as we saw, these places worked well last night. We're going to put them back again. So this is the yeast and this is the beer. So we'll come back tomorrow and check. The yeast has gone behind the flower pot, so we'll give that a go. We'll pour some more of the yeast into the big bottle. And we're going to pour some yeast into the ice cream pot. So this is night 2, and we're going to check to see what the yeast does compared to the beer. And you can also smell the yeast from here already, so it should be a good mix. So let's check that out tomorrow. Good night. So we're checking the following morning, and we've got a slug in there. We'll have a look in this one. We've got some in that one. So that's wet. Look in the jar. Nothing in that one. So we do have a result. So this is going to go onto the compost pile and we can try again for tonight and see what the results are. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, that'd be wonderful. And leave me a comment. If you've tried this, let me know, that'd be great. And what other solutions we can try. So thank you very much. Cheers.